To buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Now the process actually is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Coinbase and you want to make sure you sign into your account. In my case, I'm not signed in because my account isn't verified. It's not going through the verification process. I'll make a video later on if you're having trouble with that too, but here I'll just be showing you. If you're logged in, you'll get an interface somewhat like this as well. You can see, and at the screen you'll find the buy option on your home page. Once you're signed in, you just simply tap on buy, and once you tap on buy, it'll ask you to select the particular crypto that you want to buy and such. In this case here, if I scroll down below, you can see the Bitcoin here, you can see Ethereum, Tether and such. You can simply tap on particular crypto there and you can see buy option there. If you tap on buy, it'll ask you for payment methods and you'll have to go through certain prompts and you'll be able to buy it. In my case, since I'm not signed in, it'll ask first me to sign in, so I'm not going through this process right now, but that's how you can do it. It's quite simple. Simply open up the application, sign into your account, head into the home page, and there you can either search for the crypto first, or you can simply tap on buy option and then select the crypto later. So this way you can buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.